Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be reviewing some hair today and I'm gonna be unboxing it as well. So this is gonna be the first time I'm doing this on my channel. I hope you enjoy it. Oh, this is not the wig, by the way. The wig is in its box.
Baby, come and share my world. If it's loving that you want, you can make me your man. If it's loving that you need, baby, come and share my world.
I ordered the wig on a Saturday and I received it on Thursday. So what was that? 5 days. So it came delivered by DHL and the company is called Jazz Star. So what I ordered was a 20-inch deep wave wig. I'll have the exact name on it on the screen somewhere because I can't remember, but it's like a Brazilian deep wave or deep curl, I think, and I got it in 20 inches. And I got this hair for a holiday that I'm about to go on because I feel like that deep wave, water wave is just giving me holiday vibes. I don't have a huge budget when it comes to hair. I really don't care. So I was like, look, I'm not gonna spend more than 80 euros on a wig. And lo and behold, I got this one for like 65 euro, less than 70 basically. But it's Aliexpress, so we'll see if I got my money's worth and it's good quality, good value for money, or I got some shit hair. When I open the box, it's a net. Okay guys, I'm not gonna lie to you, I've opened this box already. I took out the hair, ran my fingers through it and put it back in. So let's just pretend that didn't happen, right? So when you open the box, this is what I saw. And there are just two little childish looking hairbands in it, which I don't know if I'll be using. Let's just throw the box away for now. So this like white paper came inside the head part. The hair is wrapped in this net, so if you remove it, this is what you get. So when I originally opened the box, the hair was like more compressed, if that makes sense, like really compressed, but I just ran my fingers through it just to see and I put it back. I got a closure wig. This is not a frontal, it is just a lace closure, and the closure is pretty small, but I don't really think I'm going to be wearing this hair up or in mad styles. I just want it to be worn down. So this is what it looks like when I run my fingers through it. I'm gonna see if I get any shedding. I'm getting like 1 or 2 little pieces of hair. I'll just run my fingers through some more. None this time. I'm gonna take off this wig that's on my head and put on the new hair. Alright, so the lace is pretty light for my complexion. I'm using my foundation that's the same color as my face. I'm just gonna take my foundation brush and turn the lace inside out like this, and I'm just gonna put the foundation on. I'm just gonna move over it to the bathroom so we can wet the hair and get the water wave look. So I'm taking this A Moisture coconut and hibiscus curling gel souffle. Just gonna take some mousse. This is the Cream of Nature and Argan Oil Style and Shine Foaming Mousse. So let's talk about this hair and let's review it. First of all, by the texture, the hair is very, very, very soft. Like, even though it sheds a bit and it's really curly, even when it was dry, I didn't have any issue running my fingers through it. So the hair is really, really soft. I do think it is actual human hair, because you know sometimes these AliExpress vendors will give you synthetic hair and they'll say it's human hair, I do think this is human hair. Even like when I wet it and I put the products in it, the curls really did pop. So yeah, I think it's human hair. Don't mind the line of demarcation right here. That's just because my wig cap is light. I think the closure is quite nice. It's flat, which I want. I don't know about how full it is, but for the look of the hair, I don't see anything wrong with the closure. The hair itself does seem like 150% density. Like, it's not too thin, but it's not extremely full either. What else? The hair has a slight smell, slight chemically smell, but I guess if I actually do wash the hair, that smell should go. It's not too strong that you can perceive it from afar, but it has a slight smell. The shedding, I don't like the shedding. Like I said, it's curly hair and it was €65, so I don't want to have my expectations or my hopes too high. A little shedding is not gonna hurt. The hair looks bomb. This is like the most affordable water wave, deep wave hair that I was able to see that actually has reviews, more than like a couple of hundred people buying it, and like, you know, the hair is soft. I don't think I wasted my money. I think it looks like good value for money. Yeah, overall I'm gonna give this hair 7 out of 10. Why? Because the smell has taken away 1 point. If it didn't have a smell, it would have had an 8. Also, the shedding has taken away another point. And then thirdly, I just feel like maybe the packaging could have been a bit nicer. They could have included like a care tips or how to care for the hair, like a little leaflet, I don't know, something. So that's gonna take away a third point. But aside from that, the hair is beautiful. I think it's gorgeous. I'm really excited to wear this on. I'm gonna leave the link for this exact hair in the description box down below, so check it out if you want to purchase it. I would recommend it. Any other questions you have, please leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys. Bye.